Hello class, good evening my teachers and my all friends. Today our presentation day and today our presentation day and my presentation topic is importance of physical education. What is physical education? Understanding the importance of physical education. Physical education enjoying physical activities. Physical education is the course of study that focus on the development of physical fitness, sports skills, and health knowledge. Physical education is a blood point develop fitness and improve sports skills and coordinate enhance health knowledge and awareness promote social skills and teamwork. A group of students playing teamwork within physical class. A student enjoying is a physical activities, debates, presentation in a physical education. Compounds of physical education: physical fitness, sport skills, health knowledge, and social skills. Last one has concluded. Physical education is a national part of well-rounded education. It's provide benefits for physical, mental, and social development. Thank you for listening.